Hello guys, hope you guys are doing well. So I'm back with another video. So today I will show you how you can convert your Figma design to Framer HTML website, and you will host for free, and you can show it to your client. Or if you are in a company, if you work with a company, you can show the developer how the animation will be provided. Okay, so in Framer, so what we will do today, let's see that things first. So we will do this awesome animation. You see, awesome animations, yeah, with 3D, like you can see here 3D, right? When you scroll through these things, only in that time it will appear like that in 3D motions, right? Isn't it awesome, guys? Let me know in the comments below. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So what do you need first? We need Figma Motion Windows app, or you can continue with the browser by clicking this start for free button. Okay, so I am using right now the Figma Windows app. So yeah, let's get started. So what you need to do today, I will just make the design, animated design for this website. Okay, so what we need to do, click the design file here, and click the resource section and go to plugins and search for Figma to HTML. When you search for Figma to HTML, okay, HTML, it will come at the top. Okay, so now run. It will copy all the layers what it actually need. After doing that, when it will finish, then we need to go to the, yeah, copy it, so we can paste on Framer right now. So now click new here and click blank site. Okay, now it will create a blank site. Okay, so it's free, Framer version, it's free, and give it a name, education website, something like that. Okay, now what we will do here, like click right button and paste. Okay, it will paste that Figma design into the Framer. Okay, now you can see uploading Figma images. It will paste all those layer into this Framer motion. Okay, it's done, you can see, right? So now click here and click layout. After clicking layout, we need to give the height fit contain. Okay, so that the height will be fit with the website. Okay, so we need to fix the width also. So 1440, I think that will be perfect, right? Yeah, it's perfect. So now we can see the full website are here. So how we will animate this? Okay, so suppose this site, suppose this one. So up to career, this part. Okay, this part I want to animate. So go right here, choose effect. You need to choose the effect first, then appear animation. We can make this appear animation, scroll speed, scroll transform. So go to appear animations, and on appear we will use layered in view. Okay, when it in view it will appear. Okay, so scale in, no, we will scale slide from left. Okay, so the enter effect and exist effect. Okay, so what we will do in here, make the opacity, yeah, we can make the opacity, yeah, in this way. And also we can transition spring and ease. It have two things, like you can see the preview in here. Okay, so if I use spring, it will animate like this, and if I ease out, this will ease in out or ease in, you see, in this way. So what I will use in here is in out, and I will make a custom value from here, from visor, okay, and here, yeah, now it will looks really good. So I will set a timer 0.7 second, okay. So yeah, our first transition is done. So if I now want to visit the animations, so click plus, you can see, you will see this nice animation. You see, if I reload it again, this nice animation will appear like this way, okay. And you can also show it to your clients, guys. So for that I will show you this how to make this as a website or as a link. I will show you in the last part. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay, now what we'll do, this image, right, I think, yeah, this image. So go to effect again and go to appearance and layer in view, and it will middle and scale in. Okay, fine, scale in, no, scale in not, we will slide it from right, okay. And the effect will be same what I actually use, because I think this effect works perfectly, right? Yeah. Now it will looks good, okay. I think I just animate this image only, right? You can also animate this, okay. You can also animate this little things. Also, in this will also came in the right, slide back and right. Okay, in this way. Okay, so now what we will do, also make this one, is it selected or not? Sometimes. Okay, same things. If we want to use the same animation, what we will do, we will just right button these things and paste effect. It will paste the same effect for this part, okay. So if I hit play, you see, okay. I think the animation needs to be a little bit slower so that it will if I play it again, okay, let's just get, okay. So in this way we can animate. So let's see, like when we see about company or something, company, oh, sorry, why these things appear in this way. So suppose this tip, what we can do, just get back into here, and what we will do, we will go to insert and choose interactive, and go to insert interactive and sticker. So yeah, we'll use this sticker in here, okay. It will insert, just wait, yeah, it just inserted perfectly. So what we will do, click here and select this portion, and we can make the things a little bit bigger so that it can, okay, wait, sorry, yeah, I think this one, right? Yeah, Mhm. I think it's perfect in here, right? Ah, okay. So now if we hit play button again, what we can see, you see this nice animation will go in infinity scroll like this way. Okay, cool, right? Okay, now let's just suppose um, this card. Okay, this card I will use another effect. So what I will do, go to effect and scroll transform, and here layer in view, of course, and we will go effect, and we will increase or decrease the y part, y area. Okay, this way, in this way. Okay, and let's just scale these things a little bit, not that big. uh, 0.9 is perfect, right? So we will scale and the opacity will be 100%, and yeah, perspective is okay. So how it will happen in effect, everything is perfect. Okay, now if we go to here and again play these things, if we go under down, you can see this card. You see, nice animation, right? We can make this kind of nice animation to it. Okay, so in this way you guys can animate with your website. Okay, so now I will animate the whole things with fast forwarded video, so just stay tuned. For the finishing result. Catch me if I fall. I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall. There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe,
I'll always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good, you look great, I like you.
So now how we will host this website? Okay, for free. Just click the desktop and go to publish instant, and it will give you a domain. So click update, and if you go to this domain, now you will see the whole things in like a website, right? It's loading, you see. Now it's full like a website, right? You see, guys, it's working perfectly fine. So yeah, thanks for watching.